Let's keep searching for treasure. Let's go to the small pebbles and see what we can find.
Okay, let's go. Wow, that's a lot of pebbles.
Let's keep digging.
A military truck. What's it doing here?
Military transport vehicles carry weapons, food, and soldiers during wars.
Oh, I see. I wonder if there's anything in this water.
Let me try.
Why can't we find anything?
I don't know.
I can help. There's definitely treasure here. Oh, I can't lift it. It's too heavy.
We need to call a tow truck. The water is too deep. It's dangerous.
You're right.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
We found the treasure.
That rocket looks awesome. It's going to fly really high.
That was a great adventure. Let's keep looking for treasure.